whether it's related to mechanization, whether it is related to digitization, whether it is related to irrigation upgrade. Whatever investments have been done can be used by maize, by wheat, by dryland crops, by our national partners who are working over here. We have had a lot of equipments being purchased like planters, threshers. We have been allocated a project of nearly 2 million where this whole station will be upgraded, which includes right from the seed processing to the seed storing and putting up a new office. You will see a new structure here with all the workflows in place, a new office, and I feel a more motivated team that wants to work together to deliver what is the mandate for the Kiboko station.
With these office facilities, all the staff are able to work in a safe and secure environment, and it's also very encouraging for women. Now earlier to engage women it was not so easy because this location and the facilities we don't have properly, but now with having all of these facilities help us to engage more women in the workforce. This facility is helping to reduce the total time involved in the breeding process, not just for CIMMYT but also for several research organizations within Africa. Usually it takes several years, at least 4 years to develop an inbred line. Inbred lines are very important to develop the final hybrid variety which is grown by the farmer. But to develop these inbred varieties, it takes so many cycles of self-pollination. Using this new technology called double haploid technology, we can shorten this time period to just under 1 year and develop this much purer or much more homozygous inbred lines much quicker. Through crops to end hunger investments, we could able to establish proper drip system that helps us each and every plant gets accurate amount of water and fertilizers. Another project that is ongoing is development of seed processing facilities, office facilities for our staff, and some more irrigation facilities. And all of these facilities will improve how we process our seed, how quickly we can get it done, how efficiently we can get it done, how safely we can get it done. They also supported us with a machine that sorts or separates haploid seed from diploid seed, which is a very, very labor-intensive process. For example, it takes from one population to identify haploids, it takes whole day for 2 people to do that. So we can do this process in just 25 minutes for population just 1 person. So that will dramatically increases the efficiency of our operations here.
Even if we are operating in sub-Saharan Africa, in Kenya, in Zimbabwe, in Ethiopia, maize team is also based in Mexico and also in Asia. So there is a sharing of germplasm within these breeding hubs where we try to bring in material which is having traits which are not currently available in the sub-Saharan African material. Once we have developed this material, we also share with our partners. The partners include the national system partners and also the seed companies, the small and medium seed companies, and they can use it in their breeding programs to develop much better hybrids that can go to the market. So we are trying to address all the different type of customers who are available, and depending on their needs, we have opened up different forums to support whatever their need is, whether it's for breeding material or whether it's for products under which we develop directly to be shared with them. So maize, as you know, it is the crop of the region. It is actually the food. So it's the main system for all the people over here, and CIMMYT, what it has been doing is to deliver high yielding products. So the products that we are working to develop is just not for yield in a normal circumstance, but looking at how the climate change is happening, how more droughts are coming in, how the land has a low level of fertility, the low-end trials that we do, the pests and diseases. I think 10 years back, MLN, maize lethal necrosis, came in. 5 years ago, fall armyworm came in. We have highly competent breeders who make sure that they are aligning the market needs with how the breeding program strategizes their breeding work. There is discussion with the farmers. We have field days where we bring in the farmers, ask them to look at what we have in our kitty. We have International Maize Consortium, under which we bring in seed companies, we bring in national partners, and we get a lot of feedback from them on what is the requirement from the market. So there has been an extremely well organized way in how Crop to End Hunger initiative has helped to modernize the breeding program here.